Hello everyone, I'm Doug. Welcome to Hudson Valley Print Shop. Today we're going to talk about how to start a t-shirt business at home and the things you need to run it, right? Before we get into details, let me give you a backstory about how I started and why I started. The reason why I started a t-shirt business was because low cost, entry level, along with remote and being low space required. So if you're a full-time student or work 9 to 5, running a t-shirt business can be beneficial for you because it's low cost entry level. It doesn't cost a lot of capital to purchase these equipment and it's remote. You could literally do it in your kitchen, in your living room, in your spare bedroom. You just need the essentials. All you need is a heat press, a vinyl cutter, and graphic design software. Once you have all three of those things, yeah, you're up and running, you're ready to go. I was running this business out of my garage, out of my living room, anywhere I could really sit my equipment down to run the designs, print the designs, cut them out, heat press them onto the t-shirt or whatever fabric it is. So a heat press come in various sizes. They have all types of different heat presses for all different type of niche and garments. They have small heat presses, medium-sized heat presses, and large heat presses that prints all over the t-shirt. They call it an all-over print. They also have heat presses for hats, heat presses for mugs and tumblers, and heat presses for flats such as t-shirts and hoodies. After you purchase a heat press, you will need a vinyl cutter. A vinyl cutter again comes in various sizes as well. Okay, let's say you have your heat press and your vinyl cutter. Let's talk about the different heat transfers you can print. You can print heat transfer vinyl, heat transfer papers, and DTF transfers. So let's start with heat transfer vinyl since you have your vinyl cutter, right? That's my vinyl cutter over there. This right here. Yep, that's my vinyl cutter right there. I believe it's 24 inches wide. So I could cut up to 24 inches wide within that parameter. Heat transfer vinyl is good and it's fast and reliable, right? These are quick turnarounds. Let's say your local sports team have names and numbers they need printed on their jacket or on their jersey for an upcoming game. Heat transfer vinyl is really good for that. You would knock that job out ASAP. It wouldn't take long. Next, let's talk about heat transfer paper. Heat transfer paper is good for what I think is good for. This is my opinion. It's good for pictures and comic book designs. Heat transfer paper is great. DTF transfer is a little bit more complex, but it works the same. DTF transfers are great for designs that have multiple colors, right? If you can see this, very colorful. If this information has been useful, may you please give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll keep you updated on the latest equipment, new techniques, and general information for starting your t-shirt business.